Hi viewers, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we're going to look at intensifying adjectives in Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Intensifying adjectives categorized as emphasizers, amplifiers, downtoners, and limiters can be used in physical or inanimate nouns that are increasing or decreasing in strength or degree. Words like absolute, complete, very, total, share, main are some of these intensifiers. However, in Nigerian Pidgin English, some of these words are intensified differently. Borrowed words from some Nigerian indigenous languages give the intensifying adjective what I call an epitome of beauty. Let's check out some of these ones that are commonly used. The amplifiers. We're going to look at two amplifiers, very and a lot. There are lots of words that can substitute very in Nigerian Pidgin English, but the ones we will see today are no be small, gone, well, or wella, anyhow, die. For example, your house far no be small. I dey tire, gone. She dey clever, well, or she dey clever, wella. That guy dey rich, anyhow. The film wey we watch sweet die. For a lot, these words can be used. Choke, enough, brekete, nyafun, scatter, pieces, anyhow, die. For example, people choke or brekete or nyafun or scatter for the protest yesterday. So you can substitute the word choke for the other words that also mean a lot, like the example I just gave. Another example is, I love my wife, pieces, or anyhow, or die. Now let's look at the downtoners, which is small. So the word small can be replaced for words like kinkili, binti, small, anyhow, tintini. For example, now this guy kinkili car you buy. This tintini food no go reach me. Na just binti I take. So all these words mean small. Let's look at the word less in Nigerian Pidgin English, which means no today. For example, I know today busy last night. Now let's go to the emphasizers, plain, real. These two words can be substituted in Nigerian Pidgin English with the word life. For example, guy, tell me the live truth. Limiter, a word main, which means koko in Nigerian Pidgin English. For example, na di koko wey I dey talk be that. Na di koko wey I dey talk be that. So you can see that is intensifying adjectives in Nigerian Pidgin English. So guys, that's the wrap for today. Do make the best of your day and see you in my next video. My name remains Bafo. Peace is in.